This is a demo of the semi-semester project 1, which is the math tutor. Your interface does not have to exactly look like this. This is just using normal flow, not very well designed, but the functionality is important. So what we have here are students. They're going to be given math drills, 10 problem sets at a time, and there's a drop-down box to select between level 1 and level 2. Now those levels just are the values of the operands. So level 1 will provide operands between 0 and 10. Level 2 will provide operands between 0 and 100. You should use your random number generator function that you created in program 2 and place it into a function library. So we're getting the concept of a function library and reuse that. Okay, after selecting the correct problem, grade level, then they're going to choose the problem type. Okay, and once they've chosen the problem type, when they click start, they will get 10 questions of that problem type. Notice that once they've clicked start, this will be disabled, so they can't be in the middle of a problem set and restart. And this is also disabled, so their only option now is to write an answer in and check that answer. If they leave it empty, that's going to be counted as incorrect. So I will now check the answer. You get positive reinforcement. This is now disabled. I can't recheck the answer, so I must go on to the next problem. If the answer is incorrect, they will get a chance to answer 3 times. After the 3rd time, if it's still incorrect, they're given the correct answer and prompted then to press the next problem button. Okay, and then they're given the next problem. So I'll just work through this whole set quickly. And after you get through the problem set, the student is given information on their score. If the score is below 70, they will be told to talk with the teacher. Okay, so let's go to the next, another example. Now I'm going to go to subtraction. And when you start subtraction, the thing I want you to be aware of is that the student will know what 9 minus 8 is, but the student's not aware of negative numbers, so they don't know what 8 minus 9 is. Otherwise, the problem set is exactly the same as the addition. The operator is different, and you must make sure that the second operand is less than or equal to the first operand. And this is a simple if statement to do this. Okay, for division, multiplication is pretty straightforward. There's no need to change the order of the operands. But with division, that's probably the most difficult one that you're going to do. You must make sure the division is going to end up with an integer answer. So the students don't know what a decimal value is. I'm not sure what. To them, 9 divided by 2 really doesn't exist, but 9 divided by 3 does. That's 3. It's a whole integer value. So you must make sure that the results are an integer value. If not, don't show that expression and generate another expression. So you've got a while loop that might be continually calling your operands until you get a result that is an integer value. I'm going to click start, and so 0 divided by 43 is 0, which is an integer value. Okay, and I hope they're not all zeros. You also need to make sure, here we got one, you also need to make sure to never divide by 0. That is a no-no. So that's 2 things about this division that you need to make sure that you do. So I hope this helps you with figuring out the requirements of this project.